Alright guys, it's April 22nd. Heading to a new spot this morning we haven't been to yet. We tried to roost some birds in there last night, but we was unsuccessful. But you know, this is the kind of morning that every turkey hunter dreams of. It is 50 degrees, no wind. It's a clear morning. I mean, all the stars are real bright and shiny this morning. And I'm excited. So I'm going to pick up my brother and nephew, and we're going to head to this farm, and hopefully we can get on one, and hopefully get a double. That would be awesome. We'll settle with one. It's been a pretty rough season so far. Well, I say rough. I just got some people that can't shoot. There's getting birds in. We've managed to get a few birds in, but we just haven't been able to seal the deal. So we'll get back to you guys when we're out in the woods. When we start getting some camera light, we'll start filming. Man, it's gonna be a good day.